Hey guys, it's Roblox here. Today you might see something different, and yes, I am sick and also really tired. So yeah, I have 8 Robux. Not a joke. Actually, have it. I'll just go on this, and you'll see. I actually do have 8 Robux, and you also notice something about my profile, and let's just go on there and. Good job for you guys, cause it's gonna be a new outfit, but I'm still looking at some hair I want, and yeah. So, you might be wondering, how did you get the Robux? You probably have no money. Well, my friend, Brianna Large from 6, talk about her a lot, in this group, and I'm a thinker, as well as your Life 45. So, I am a thinker in this group, and, someone, bought these, and then that makes the group have funds. So, Brianna Large from 6 had an idea of, hey, how about I give you all the group funds? Wouldn't that be cool? And I was like, yeah, totally. And, I'm just gonna say, hey, yo, what's up? Tonight, recording takes a long time. I'm trying to rhyme. Rhyming takes the night. What's up with no daylight? Why am I in a mine with no flashlight? Alright, that's it. Ooh. Hey yo, what's up? Recording takes a long time. Rhyming takes the night. What's up with no daylight? I am a mine with no flashlight. Woo! Alright, that was good. I love it. So, let's get to the series. Hey! No, that's not the Roblox logo. Okay, I might have made this in 2017, but judge me. I honestly wanting to play Booga because Booga because I've never played this game before. That looks so fun. And every time I record a video, jailbreak is always first. Jailbreak always first. And guess what? We need to get jailbreak at 1 billion visits, and oh my gosh, we're so close. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. 99 million. But let's already look at a game that's already at 1 billion visits that I like to play a lot, and you guys are gonna be surprised. Man, that is just like, wow. But, I think these were made at the same exact time, so let me see what, when Jailbreak was made, 1/9/2017, and let's see what time Booga was made. I think it was made in 2017, 12/22/2017. I'm way off. Let's just play this because I've never played before. I'm tired, guys. I'm really tired. Alright. Just get in full screen. Alright. Back right as. I caused no harm, but I'm kinda on your end. I'm sorry. Oh, right. No, I can't really watch. I want this one. I want this one. And I'm a scan. Ish. There we go. That's a good scan. Like, oh, what is good right here's my face. this, no this, this. Oh my god. We should be bold. I'm gonna go with this because I'm gonna go with this. Alright, let's sketch it up. Alright, X, whoa, okay, this is cool. Alright, wow, F to harvest. Alright, let's keep breaking some stuff. Wait, hold on. You want me to press K? Okay. Z, what is Z? Oh, cool. That's, what is this? Just, oh, I have some treasure. Resource chest open. Let's open this, I guess. Where is my resource chest? I don't know. I gotta get you because I need some resources. Oh, no. I don't have enough space. Oh my god, I don't have enough space, guys. I'm gonna run out of space in my bag. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look how much this is. Woo, let's go. I think I can make like a t-shirt with all this. Oh my gosh. I'm still not out of space. Okay, let me try another one. Let me just try a pleb chest. I'll just try a pleb chest because I doubt it's going to be that much. I mean, I hope it's not that much because I'm running out of stuff. Woo! Oh no. Oh my gosh. Okay. We just gotta, oh, let's right through this. Oh, we did it! Woohoo, let's go Ash. And let's grab this. What happens when I run out of space? What happens? Oh, bag full, okay. Oh, we can make a shirt, okay. Whoa. Leave shirt, leave pants, leave bag. Alright, let's make a leave bag. Oh, I need 2 sticks. Wait, do we already have a leaf bag now? Oh, yeah. Alright, let's just get started with some armor, and now, I mean, look at that, we got enough. We got about enough to open up another, you know, I'm just gonna do it, guys. Gonna do it. Woohoo! Let's open up this plug. Let's open up the plug. There's way too much to put my bag here. I think I could just make like a fort here because I'm opening up these plug chests. And I still got lots of room, so I'm just gonna open up another one. And let me see where this one actually drops. Oh, yeah, it does drop out, sorry. Alright, let's just open this up, and we're just opening up club chest. I'm going to put a disclaimer in the video. It'll be like, this video is boring if you don't have, oh my grape fell. Well, guess I don't have a grape. Or a berry, I guess. Oh no, my bag is full. Alright, we ate some berries. Now I can hopefully pick up this. And I think we can make a boat to create. Yep. Wait, will you make an ice boat? That's funny. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Whoa, okay, I'm gonna get out of full screen. Hey. So much stuff this island completely unsecure, so I'm gonna take it. Got a lot of stuff. Holy crap, this is a big island. Let's just get on this island. Yeah. My boat is gone. Alright, so I think I can make a little hut here. Oh, campfire. Okay. Of course I need to make a campfire. Let's make this campfire. Let's do that. Okay, we're done. And let's see what we can make for like a wood pit, wood axe. Alright. Yeah, let's just, boom, okay. You leveled up. Oh, and now I make a lot of stuff. I make a lot of stuff. Right, wait. Oh, okay, I'm gonna make my bottle. Yes, oh my god. Okay, let's just make a quick right here. Okay. And we'll make a chest. Oh my gosh, that makes everything better. Like, everything. Wait. I'm thinking I'm gonna put the chest inside of my hive. I think I'm doing that because, you know, I need to. Alright, this chest is good, and let's just see what we can put in here. Let's put some leaves in here, let's put some logs in here, and yeah, okay. Alright, now let's put our chest up, and we're good, right? Okay. Stone chiller. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Don't enter this land. I will. I am becoming level 3. That will oof me. I'm gonna get oofed, guys. I could get oofed. Alright, that's T. What is ooh, there's a color. Not left is called the teal teal. Yeah. Make a try. Bunny Vlogs Bunny has already found the teal drive. It said my name already existed. I don't think no. Oh my gosh. Hey, there's one Stelly I picked on there. Yeah, let's eat. Oh, my health went down to my hands for health. Can't you like cook stuff? Oh no. Alright. Oh yeah, let's get some of this. There's a shark over there. Oh, I just harvest this without eating anything. Oh yeah. I'm not really good at the game, guys. I'm not really good at the game. Making a hut though I'm good at, and soon we're just gonna have to end this video. I will play more of this, I promise. I have to look at my keys like, which key? Oh, wait, there's a brush. Double star. So I'm gonna have to end this video here, guys. I'm not gonna probably not be in the same game because, but I will have my blue steel drive. And if this steel drive is already made, I'll have to make another one. But guys, I hope to see you guys in the next video I make. Hold on. I guess I harvest some of these and let's just harvest all this. Yeah. You leveled up. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.